Hi, I'm Leslie Walker for QFleetNews. Thanks for joining me. We're diving into the world of ultra-reliable SUVs, specifically the top Japanese models that are practically built to last a lifetime. If you're in the market for an SUV that combines ruggedness, reliability, and quality engineering, you're in for a treat. Let's kick things off with Toyota's lineup. The Toyota Land Cruiser is a legendary SUV known worldwide for its unmatched durability and off-road capability. Whether tackling tough terrain or high mileage, the Land Cruiser is built to go the distance, making it a favorite for adventure seekers and practical drivers alike. Moving on, the Toyota 4Runner is another durable option with a sturdy body-on-frame design that's ideal for rough terrain. If you need something that can handle the elements year after year, the 4Runner is worth considering. For those with families, the Honda Pilot and Toyota Highlander are top choices. Both offer spacious interiors and are known for minimal maintenance needs, making them ideal for long-term family use. The Honda Pilot in particular earns high marks for its family-friendly features and excellent durability. But reliability isn't just about rugged SUVs. Luxury has its place here too. The Lexus RX and Lexus GX deliver high-end comfort without compromising on longevity. With these models, you get premium interiors, advanced tech, and that signature Lexus reliability, making them a smart choice for drivers who want a luxury vehicle that will go the distance. If you're looking for something more compact and efficient, the Honda CR-V and Subaru Forester offer reliability in a more city-friendly package. Both are praised for fuel efficiency, spacious cargo, and impressive durability, making them perfect daily drivers for the long haul. Subaru continues to shine with models like the Outback and Ascent, both built for versatility and all-weather performance. The Ascent, Subaru's newest addition, has quickly gained a reputation as a reliable family SUV, while the Outback is known for its practicality and rugged design. For those who prefer a blend of style and substance, the Toyota Venza delivers a sleek, modern look with the reliability Toyota is famous for. And of course, the Toyota Sequoia rounds out our list with its powerful performance and spacious design, making it a favorite for those needing a durable, full-size SUV. So whether you're drawn to luxury, ruggedness, family friendliness, or fuel efficiency, these Japanese SUVs offer incredible longevity and value. If you're looking to add a vehicle to your fleet that's guaranteed to go the extra mile, quite literally, these models should be at the top of your list. I'm Leslie Walker, and stay tuned to QFleetNews for more developments in the world of automotive innovation. Till next time, bye for now.